share a story. Share your Phoenix Rising story, your rags to riches story. A time in your life when things were difficult, and how you got through that and went beyond and became the success that you are today. Something that inspires people.
Well, okay, this again goes back, around 5, 6 years ago, right? I just completed college. I got my, degree, and, I was just following life as it was. I started working in a French MNC as a consultant. I was doing everything that the society wanted me to do, right? Get a degree, start working, get a respectable job. Somewhere deep down, I had that itch, right? The itch that every business owner, every consultant, everyone who wants to do something different will have. Now, my job was exciting. The work I was doing really mattered to clients. We were dealing with clients, big clients. One of the clients that I was catering to in the French MNC I was working with is a big luxury brand, right? I'm not going to take names, but it's a big luxury brand based out of the United Kingdom. Somewhere deep down, I felt this is not something I wanted to do. Every morning when I woke up from my bed, I had to push myself. I had to grudgingly leave my house, take the transport, go to my office, work there, and come back. I mean, from what I recollect, this is just, just the year after I completed college. I was also working on, some freelancing gigs, for example, social media marketing, right? But those did not take off at that moment. I was just learning how to actually get clients, how to actually make this sustainable, how to make money. But my job that was kind of too tiring for me. It did not give me the thrill that I was seeking. It did not give me, the what we call is the uh, happiness, right? It did not give me the happiness that I was looking for. So that was a kind of very down phase in my life where I did not know what to do. What are the next steps going to be? Is my freelancing career going to take off? Or do I need to, be in the 9 to 5 field for maybe the next 30, 40 years? I'm not saying that's bad. There'll be many people who will be in that field, but that's not something that personally appealed to me. That's not something I wanted to do, right? Um, been to a kind of dark phase in that time of my life. But then again, right? One of the things that I'm really proud about is that I did not give up. I continued pushing, I continued learning, I continued taking new courses, I continued, just going out there and saying, yes, I can do that to clients who would not even know me, right?
Yeah.
From there, I learned the tricks of the trade. I learned how to sell. I learned how to build stuff. I learned the technical aspects of it. Slowly and steadily, within a year, the freelancing career grew. I had a pretty well made profile with lots of testimonials, reviews, and very happy clients. Right? I was at a point after 1 year wherein I can quit my job, because I remember the month where I quit my job. I actually, I from my point of view, it again boils down to how much are you willing to take the risk, right? The month where I quit my job, my freelancing business actually drew in, almost double the monthly salary I drew from my job. That was my motivation. That was my message. Okay,
Nice.
I
Yeah.
can do this. I can go forward. And yeah, from there, everything changed.
And I was a lucky guy to hire him. This was great. Thanks for sharing. That's cool. Yeah.
Thank you, Robert. I mean,
I think a
you
lot of
are
people.
super focused. This is, an interview where we are talking about one side, but I don't know if people know about you or not. Robert, whoever is seeing here, Robert is also, very focused and one of the most sharpest mind in the e-learning space that I can vouch for after working with many clients, right? I can vouch for that fact. There is not many people currently in the e-learning space as sharp and as dedicated as Robert is.
Thank you, Shibs. Coming from you, that means a lot. That's a hell of a nice compliment. Thank you.